Hello everyone, I Sanya, Faculty of BCA Department from Techni Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to represent a lecture on multiplication algorithms. Let's start now. Multiplication algorithms in computer arithmetics. Let's start with example. Shown in this diagram, you see the multiplicand and multiplier. It's just a simply multiplications of binary numbers. Although the decimal examples above happens to use only 0 and 1, multiplication of binary numbers must always use 0 and 1 and thus always offers only these two choices. Just place a copy of the multiplicand, that is 1 into multiplicand, in a proper place if the multiplier digit is a 1. Place 0 means 0 into multiplicand in the proper place if the multiplier digit is 0. Sequential version of the multiplicand algorithms and hardware. Now move to flowchart means step-by-step execution of the multiplicand algorithm shown in this diagram. In this diagram, you see 3 steps are repeated 32 times to obtain the product. If each step took a clock cycle, this algorithm would require almost 100 clock cycles to multiply two 32-bit numbers. Next is sequential version of the multiplication algorithms and hardware. Example shown in this diagram. Step by step follow the multiplicand algorithm. Like you see in this diagram, there is a multiplier, multiplicand and product, and this is done by a multiplicand multiply with the multiplier and plus product addition, and all these steps are follow as following. Next is sequential version of the multiplication algorithms and hardware shown in this diagram. Compare with the first version in the previous slide, the multiplicand register, ALU and multiplier register are all 32-bit wide with only the product register left at 34 bits. It just takes one clock cycle to get the product. Next is signed multiplications. The easiest way to understand how to deal with signed numbers is to first convert the multiplier and multiplicand to positive numbers and then remember the original signs. Next, the algorithms should then be run for 31 iterations, leaving the sign out of the calculations. It turns out that the last algorithm will work for signed numbers. Next is faster multiplication like shown in this diagram. Next is multiply in MIPS. MIPS provide a separate pair of 32-bit registers to contain the 64-bit product called HI and LO. To produce a properly signed or unsigned product, MIPS has two instructions. First is multiply signed as multi and multiply unsigned means MULTU. To fetch the integer 32-bit product, the programmer uses move from low and the MIPS assembler generates a pseudo instruction for multiply that specifies 3 general purpose registers, generating MFLO and MFHI instructions to place the product into register. I hope you understand the topic of computer arithmetic and multiplication algorithms. Like, share and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you so much.